on though. When I remember this, my client was sabi give me wahala, but this time around, wahala no deal. She bring better feedback when me I go share with una now. But even I want listen, make una subscribe to my channel and on
Omo,
notification
I'm really
button.
happy. I will not even lie to you guys. I will not lie. I no go lie. Anywhere I go, your hair is fine. Your hair is fine. Your hair is fine. Man, oh, girl, oh, boy, oh, everybody's a turn. Everybody's turning their neck. Everybody is staring. I say, God, I beg, oh. Even someone that has not seen me for a very long time, she was like, why are you so fine? Why are you so fine? God. I am actually blushing. I don't know how the attention is too much, love. God of heaven. It's just that I don't want to this hair back here. Yeah, small thing. Now, and then they rush me. They rush me. They take me. And then I nearly married today. I nearly enter a relationship today. I say, no. I need to chill. I need to get chill pill. People should be easy on me. People should be easy on me. I don't share your contact tire today. It's not easy. You're supposed to pay me. Oh. You make me your brand ambassador. I dey finish work for you.
Now they rush you. Brand ambassador. But I told you right from that is very fine. Get us to go give you compliment for running, go kickstone for grand. But that hair was fine. I told you right from that hair is fine. Even me, so I got the one that let me make the hair. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Wetin make me laugh for there now because of say now the way she take talk say she go be a brand ambassador. And the way she can still take tell me say now people they rush am. You know why me I like that my customer? Now because she sabi talk, they tell you how the hair they fit and people they like am. But if you do a wetin she no like, no worry, you go collect woto from her because she go deal am with you and she go come they call you. Now so me go tell and say, oh yeah, if you no like am, come back. We go redo am and she go come happy. I belle go sweet am. I need it like my person they vex for me for any reason, no. Not do am. So now so I can they show you different hair. You see how she dey happy, so see this one wey wear red cloth as if she won't go do Valentine. Now so she dey happy up and down because see the way she dey dance body because she like wetin me do for her. See the way she dey jump up and down. Now so she can't take blow kiss on and say una bye bye. I show una plenty hairstyle for this my show. I beg make una subscribe, make una like, make una comment because na better hairstyle na me they bring for una. And I want make una they look good. If you they do this particular one, see as this one fine. Oh, the beauty no be here. Oh, it brekete. It too fine. Come see this one na front and I take do so. This front I do for her na so she dey happy. She can't use her do live stream. She can't dey happy well. I belle sweeter waiting no nice.